Hello guys, welcome to the video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to edit your LinkedIn company page on your LinkedIn app. Let's go to the video. Open LinkedIn app, tap on your profile icon right here, then tap on the page you want to edit. Here you can see dashboard. Tap on that. Then tap on edit page. Here you can edit your page. That's it. Are you looking to take your social media presence to next level? So you are at the right place. We do social media marketing, managing various platforms, creating content, creating ad campaigns, social media consultation services, and many more. So contact us on godigits.com for a free consultation session. Thank you.